night curfew has been ordered for Delhi with immediate effect from 10 p.m. to 5 in the morning. This is after the rising cases of COVID, and this night curfew will be in place now till the 30th of the month, and this is in the face of rising numbers. Now 96,982 fresh COVID cases have been reported in the country in the last 24 hours. Delhi, remember, has been seeing an increase in the number of cases. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal also announced that there would be 24-hour vaccinations at the government hospitals. Let's go across to NDTV Sukirti now for more. And Sukirti, a big step taken by the Delhi government announcing a night curfew in the national capital till the end of the month.
Well, absolutely. This is big because this is happening, one, in the national capital, and secondly, coming from a government that has repeatedly said that, any kind of lockdown measures or restrictions, those are not the way of how you keep an economy functional, and we have to prevent this disease and infection spread by following all precautions. But considering the kind of severe spike in cases that is happening in Delhi, with cases going over 3,500 on a daily basis, and hospital beds also filling up at a very quick pace, based on all of those circumstances, the government has now taken this decision that from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. there will be night curfew in Delhi. This will be implemented with immediate effect, and it will be implemented till the 30th of April. So at least for this one whole month, Delhiites will have to curb all their night party plans, or even others who return from work. How is that? Some other details might be awaited on people who may return late from work. Will they be asked to show their IDs, or what would be their explanation to the police or civil defense personnel who will be on ground to implement this order? So all of that, those details yet to come in, but definitely for Delhi, this is a big move, and the government would hope that at least this would sort of prevent the kind of way in which infections have been spreading. And mostly such rules are put in place because a lot of social activities that are not really necessary, those can be restricted by putting night curfews in place. And that is the reason why such an order has come in. And for Delhi, where already the government is in proactive mode and has been increasing hospital beds across private and government hospitals. So there are several key aspects on which the government is already working, and this night curfew is a step in the same direction.
Right, Sukirti. Now, as you pointed out, the Delhi government itself earlier had said that there won't be any restrictions. They talked about, the importance of the economy. But having said that, since the cases began rising in February, and that is something that you had been reporting on throughout, we've also seen that, the public at large, as you said, there's been a lot of going out, there have been a lot of weddings, there have been a lot of gatherings, of course, people going to restaurants, etc. And these gatherings is what's leading to the spike in cases. Many will point out that what is the point of just a night curfew? Does coronavirus only spread at night? But tell us more about, the thinking behind this. We already know Mumbai also has a similar curfew in place, and they've really seen an excessive rise in the number of COVID cases.
Well, yes, absolutely, Gaji. You are right when you say that it is not like gatherings will not take place during the day, and of course with so many weddings happening. So gatherings are of course a big reason behind the spike in cases. But there are certain decisions that the government has taken. One, in order to control the gatherings, especially in terms of weddings, the numbers have been curtailed. There has been a lot of back and forth in the last few months. First, they relaxed the number of wedding guests, then they curbed it back again. So in terms of controlling gatherings, those are the decisions that have been taken. And with night curfew, especially, we've spoken to Union Health Ministry officials also in the past, while many of them refused to come on record. But if you look at the kind of justification that goes behind night curfews, is that they say that a lot of youngsters, especially a lot of people who go to pubs, who go to parties at night, these are gatherings that are not essential. These are things that you can absolutely avoid. If you have to go to work, that is fine. If you are returning from a hospital, if your relative is in an emergency, if there are family emergencies to be taken care of, that is fine. But any social gatherings that are uncalled for, that you can absolutely avoid, those have to be prevented at this point of time. And that is mainly the reason why night curfews are put in place. And that is why this decision coming from the Delhi government. And yes, it's right, the government is not the kind that looks at these measures as a frequent go-to option. They believe that in order to keep all economic activities going, to ensure that everybody's jobs stay in place and they get their salaries on time and there are no pay cuts. So all of those economic activities have to remain functional, but at the same time, we have to also prevent the infection spread. But definitely a big move coming at this point of time in the national capital. Night curfews to stay in place till 30th of April.